That's what Hiro picked up. Of course, the cooked shrimp. And then we also have here tilapia fillet. How about, you know what, for that one, Hiro, what about salmon? You want to try salmon? No?
Oh, there is salmon inside.
Yeah, like the dynamite style.
Get two.
Two?
In case,
Yeah, for
sometimes
sure.
one is sometimes not good.
Okay. Sounds good.
Hi.
Hiro-san.
Okay.
Hiro-san.
Hi.
Hiro-san.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We're back again from
Back
the
again.
Dollar Tree store.
Dollar Tree store, yes.
Yes, and we're going to find something very special. You guys, no matter where you're at, Dollar Tree, where everything in the store is actually $1. Now, you saw from before, we had this ribeye steak that was $1 with the meatloaf, the cheese, the asparagus, everything in there. And now we're going to move to the seafood part of it.
Yes.
Yes, to show everyone what we're talking about here.
I was a little surprised that they have this kind of product. The
Yep.
salmon.
This is wild salmon from the Pacific West. That's what they say. This is a tilapia. Yes, farm-raised tilapia.
And then shrimp.
This is from Thailand.
What?
This is from China. This is also from China. Hiro-san, we're going to make something that we used to sell inside the restaurant. What do we used to call it? Volcano roll, right?
Volcano rolls. I'm going to make a similar one.
Similar, you know, a lot of restaurants call it dynamite. Kind of a baked seafood on top of a roll.
Right.
Can't wait to try this. One of my favorite things to eat. And to order, of course. Right, Hiro-san? What is the
let's
first
start
step?
it. First, I'm going to do, let's open the package. And I'm going to do salmon. I'm going to go saute. And this one go for the topping parts.
Okay.
With the masago, mayonnaise.
Okay.
Mixing too, and the salt and pepper. And inside of the roll, the saute salmon and avocado.
Okay.
Inside of the roll.
Very good.
Skin.
Okay, skin on. All right.
Skin on. So this is still frozen, so I'm gonna quickly put into running water and defrost.
Let me take a look at this better.
Yeah.
There's a honey baked salmon. You guys can look for the recipe. There's information.
Honey baked salmon?
Yeah. Recipes on how to make it. So I was so surprised. Everything in that store was $1 here. Some really great finds.
Yeah, everything's $1. The shrimp is already. I just think this one I need to do. I don't need this tail, so I'm gonna take it out the tail like this.
And in the restaurant, we actually did use tilapia, right?
Yeah, we do also the
And scallops.
scallops too.
Yeah.
And the crab stick.
Right.
Okay. And this one I'm just gonna cut to the little bit smaller to make it easy to cook. So slice it up a little bit smaller, thinner. Now I'm gonna put it into the hot water.
So the process, just cooking that in here, that was done.
Yeah, has to be well done.
Okay.
All the way cook. I'm gonna put in the shrimp too.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna strain out.
Okay. Let me hold it.
Oh, no, it's okay. Now I can go. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, next one is the salmon. Defrost already. Like this. $1.
So I'm not a big fan of this color, Hiro.
Yeah, color is a little bit.
Oh wow, it's
good.
like a very pale, like very whitish, palish. This is like a light pink. Okay, interesting. Don't know what it's gonna taste like.
Yeah. This side is not so Meat is already started broken. Not so good. $1, you know.
$1. What do you expect, right?
I'm just gonna take off the skin out. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This one actually looks like some kind of white fish.
Mm.
Can you guys see that?
Yeah. Meat more food color. Salt and pepper.
Yeah, salt and pepper. Okay.
Okay. Then I'm gonna saute this one later.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go through the other ingredients. We have skynes here, masago, mayo, and we have here pasta avocados.
Start to saute salmon.
I don't know about you guys, but right now I have my doubts about this salmon. Never seen anything like this before. And usually wild salmon, the one you find in Alaska, is a much darker, sharper orange, kind of like this. This one, we're very far away from it.
Yeah. Okay. Salmon. Ready. Okay. Okay, next one is this one. The tilapia and the shrimp.
Okay.
Here. And everything making some smash.
Break it up, right?
Yeah, break it up.
The shrimp is okay. You don't need to break up the shrimp, right?
Shrimp is okay. Shrimp is just keep it just like this.
Okay.
You can mix with the scallops too.
Scallops, yeah.
And scallops is nice too. So salt and pepper.
Okay.
You wanna add the mayonnaise? And then I wanna add the masago.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one to the bake. I'm gonna put into the oven.
Now, how long and what temperature?
I need to see. Actually, everything is cooked already here.
Okay.
But I'm looking for just a little bit getting brown in the top.
Okay.
Like that. Yes, 350. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, flip. Avocado.
I know in the restaurant I used to use cream cheese, right?
Yeah,
Cream cheese and avocado.
cream cheese also.
Yeah.
But inside of the roll is pretty much same as like a California roll,
Right.
was it? You know.
Yeah, but you had cream cheese. Actually, very, very rich that way. If you guys don't like that, just use.
Yeah, cream cheese and
crab
roll is
meat.
everything. Depend on what you like, you know.
Yeah.
So it doesn't necessarily to do. You have to do this. You have to do
Sure.
this. Not like this. So. And the
Oh,
fish.
this is the mystery meat. Oh wonder what this,
mystery
is,
meats.
wonder what this is going to taste like, Hiro.
Yeah, I know.
The salmon color was just white. Looked like tilapia,
Yeah.
as you mentioned.
Need to more open than the food color next time. You know?
Look at, just take a look at this. That's nuts.
So we have a special guest today, so
Special guest, yeah.
special,
Let's see what
special
he's
guest
doing right
will
now.
eat, so.
He's sleeping right now. Let's go and take a look. He has no idea what he's going to eat later. Oh! Hiro. Do we wake you?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You came to the right place.
Feed me something.
We're going to feed you something very, very good. Almost done. Almost done. Mystery meat.
Mystery meat. Okay.
All right. Let's finish this up.
A lot of juice still coming out. And it's taken out this juice. It's not so good. This meat has a lot of juice, you know. A lot of water.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's too much.
Okay. I still can't get over this color. Oh, take a look at this. This, I will tell you, looks beautiful.
Yeah, right?
Uh-huh. Which is so many of these in the restaurant too. It's a really popular dish.
We're saving a lot.
Tons. Perfect here. One piece fell off.
You can put a little bit more mayonnaise too. You know,
Yeah.
if you like more like a wet, this kind of dry, right? Okay, and then this is the sweet soy.
AKA eel sauce.
Yeah. Yes. And then a little bit scallion. Okay.
All right, let's take a look at this. Wow, beautiful. All for what, $3, $4, huh?
Right.
I made this from the Dollar Tree store. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us if you will make this. We keep telling you, these are for you guys to try at home. And what a great price point. Everything $1. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank
See
you.
you soon. Here we are, Hiro-san.
Yes.
Tasting part.
Yes,
Drum
part.
roll, please.
Yes.
Now, for this very special roll, the Dollar Tree Volcano Roll, we have a special taste tester. Again,
Yes.
What do you mean, Dada? It looks so gorgeous.
right?
It's so
It's
gorgeous.
like a gourmet.
Very gourmet, very Dollar Tree gourmet. Now, we didn't tell him what's in it. He wasn't really watching, but we put it all. Well, you put it all together. I filmed it. Hiro-san, let's
Yes.
give it a try. And when I was taking some pictures earlier, let me tell you, this thing smells actually very, very good. The baked seafood, the actually the tilapia, masago, mayo, and the shrimp. Yep, look at that. How's it?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah. Fish is okay.
Sir, please. After you,
Dollar Tree Sushi.
Dollar Tree Sushi.
Let me try.
We are trying everything.
So,
Find a Dollar Tree close to you. Everything in the store is $1. We are not sponsored by them. We wish. Dollar Tree, if you're listening, hit us up. Does it taste like $1?
it's a gourmet.
Gourmet.
Gourmet?
Good.
Good.
Now, my only concern was the salmon because of the way the color, the way it looked. That's the only thing that.
Try on the top.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna have to do the whole thing. Come on. I want to try this gourmet.
Actually, I cook all the way, so.
Very good.
This is amazing. Dollar?
Yeah, by the way, $1. Not only $1.
Yeah, it's-
$1 product, couple things.
You have probably about $4 in here. Let me tell you, it's actually very, very good.
Yeah, I think this meat is good. Look. Piece of shrimp.
You guys got to find the eel sauce. If you don't know, you can look for how to make it on the channel.
This is shrimp.
Sweet soy. But let me tell you what, the eel sauce works perfectly with that mayonnaise, with the baked seafood, tilapia, masago. If you guys order the dynamite or TNT roll, this is how you make it. So stop spending all the money at these restaurants. You guys make it at home. Take a look. Another piece. It's my second piece. How about you? How many pieces did you have? 2, right?
This
Really
is
good.
endless sushi for this roll. Name it endless sushi.
And there's sushi. That's a great piece. これ下につけて。
This is
This is
really,
a volcano?
really good.
Yeah, like a volcano.
Or
This
dynamite.
is dynamite.
White fish, no,
The only thing is we
tilapia,
don't
and shrimp.
instead of shrimp, you use scallops, but it's still very, very good. Dynamite pretty much uses as for scallops. Yeah, right? Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you for our
Thank you
guest
coming.
taster.
Thank you coming.
Arigato. Hiro-san, thank you.
Hi, see you next time.
Bye-bye.